This entire animated video is made with AI. Stick around, and I'll show you how to create your own without any tech skills.
Hi, I'm Yasmin, and I love to help the poor people.
Once in the city of Alexandria lived Yasmin. Yasmin set up her stall daily to help the poor survive. One day, an elderly man approached her stall.
Thank you, Yasmin. Your kindness keeps us going.
It's my pleasure. Everyone deserves a chance to live with dignity.
A little girl, holding her mother's hand, shyly stepped forward.
Miss Yasmin, thank you for the bread. It helps us so much.
I'm glad to help. Remember, kindness is something we can all share.
A merchant from a neighboring stall observed Yasmin's actions and approached her.
Why do you give so much to others?
Yasmin wisely replied,
True wealth lies in the hearts we touch and the lives we improve.
You see, creating videos like these can cost thousands of dollars, require a fancy animation degree, and involve complicated software. What if I told you anyone can create a Pixar-style animated video by simply typing a text? That's right. No fancy animation degree or complicated software needed. With this new AI technology, your words become stunning videos that businesses crave. It's like Mid-Journey, but for videos. This AI lets you create unlimited videos for a low one-time price. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get instant access to Video Express before the deal expires.